Hello, I'm in a 2016 Nissan Maxima. Today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So today, first from the driver's side, we're going to look for this lever. Pull. Should have heard a little pop sound. That was the release. There's no tension here, make sure this cable is connected with a little tautness. Otherwise, we'll go up to the front. You should see this is a little bit loose now. Most vehicle models, there'll be a lever somewhere in the middle. This one's right here, so we're going to push and lift. So push and lift. As you can see, in these, if they're working properly, these little hydraulic things should help hold the hood up. But this is what it was hooking onto. And this is that lever mechanism here. You can see that's what I was pushing. If you're having issues here, it's a little tight. Check for any debris stuck in here, which there is a little bit. So clean that up, maybe some WD-40 to get that loose. And then also make sure all the parts are center. So if your hood's a little out of alignment, you might need to fix that. Worst case, these parts are fairly inexpensive to replace. But I just hope this was helpful, and hopefully you don't have too major issues with your car. Have a great day.